Welcome to Beautyistic, where we go beyond the surface to bring you honest, expert beauty reviews. Now, if you've ever struggled with keeping your smile fresh and healthy while wearing braces, you know it can be a challenge. That's where today's product comes in. If you're dealing with orthodontic appliances, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's take a closer look at the GUM Orthodontic Kit. Designed specifically for those wearing braces or any dental appliance. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an expert review like this. Let's dive in. The GUM Orthodontic Kit is a complete oral care solution for those wearing braces, crowns, bridges, or dental implants. It includes an orthodontic toothbrush, EasyThread floss, Proxabrush interdental cleaners, and orthodontic wax. Each component is crafted to address the unique oral care challenges faced by orthodontic patients, from plaque removal to minimizing discomfort caused by brackets and wires. Starting with the GUM Orthodontic Toothbrush, this one is specifically designed to clean around orthodontic appliances. It features soft V-trim bristles that target areas around brackets, arch wires, and ligatures, helping remove plaque from those hard-to-reach spots. It's gentle on the gums, but thorough enough to clean your teeth without causing irritation. If you're someone who's always struggled to get around those little spaces, this toothbrush definitely makes the process easier. Next, we've got the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Cleaner. This handy tool comes with 3 different sizes, making it perfect for cleaning between teeth, around crowns, implants, or of course braces. It's clinically designed by dental professionals, and it really helps to get into those spaces that a regular toothbrush might miss. The small brushes can get right into the nooks and crannies, ensuring that plaque doesn't stand a chance. Now, let's talk about the EasyThread floss. If you wear braces, you know how tricky it can be to floss effectively. This dual-ended threader floss is a game changer. It's designed with stiff ends, making it easier to maneuver through your braces without irritating your gums. It's a bit of a time saver and just feels more effective than traditional flossing methods, especially when trying to reach spots under the wires. And of course, we can't forget the GUM Orthodontic Wax. For anyone who wears braces, you're familiar with the occasional discomfort caused by brackets rubbing against the inside of your mouth. This wax creates a protective barrier and helps prevent irritation or sores, giving you a much-needed sense of relief. Plus, the inclusion of vitamin E is a nice touch, helping to soothe and protect your gums. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to the pros, this kit is highly effective for orthodontic patients. It's all in one, which means you've got everything you need in one package. No need to buy separate items. The toothbrush's V-trim bristles are a big highlight, and the Proxabrush makes plaque removal a breeze. The EasyThread floss saves you time, and the orthodontic wax really helps to reduce irritation and sores. The products are all easy to use, and each one is thoughtfully designed for braces wearers. On the flip side, the only downside I'd say is that the kit might be a little too much for someone who doesn't have braces. If you're just looking for a basic toothbrush or floss, this may feel like overkill. The price point is also a little on the higher side for a dental care kit, but when you consider that it's tailored for a very specific need, it's not that surprising. When comparing this kit to other options, there are similar dental care products for braces, but what stands out with GUM is the level of specialization in each item. Some brands might offer basic tools, but GUM offers tools designed for different spaces between teeth and for different types of orthodontic treatments, making this a standout for those needing targeted care. The build quality of the kit is excellent. The toothbrush has a solid, ergonomic handle that makes brushing feel comfortable. The Proxabrush is sturdy, and the wax is packaged securely, so you won't have to worry about any mess. The longevity of the kit depends on how frequently you use the products, but it's safe to say that with regular use, this kit can help you maintain your oral health throughout the duration of your orthodontic treatment. For customer support, GUM has a great reputation. If you ever have an issue, Their customer service team is known to be responsive and helpful. So, if you encounter any problems with the kit or need a replacement part, you can count on them to handle it swiftly. Now, if you're on a budget and looking for alternatives, there are definitely other orthodontic care kits out there that are priced lower, but you may not get the same level of specialization. You might find generic floss or toothbrushes that can do the job, but they won't address the unique needs of braces wearers in quite the same way. It comes down to whether or not you want a comprehensive solution tailored to your specific orthodontic needs. So what's the final verdict on the GUM Orthodontic Kit? It definitely lives up to its claims. If you're undergoing orthodontic treatment and need a complete, well-designed kit that addresses all your oral care needs, this is an excellent choice. It's especially beneficial for those who find traditional flossing and brushing a bit of a challenge with braces. If you're looking for a high-quality orthodontic kit that's easy to use, effective, and well thought out, I'd say this one is worth the investment. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.